GALT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Galectin Therapeutics stock sitting at 32% gains. If I look at it from a weekly chart, that's how it looks like. And it's still inside this bearish trend and range as of right now, although we went now 32%. Now, context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships with GALT specifically. It's still this bearish trend, man. Like, and I'm not even trying to be rude or anything. It's just me following edge that I've refined over 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, right? That's the supply area, but also GAPX like a very similar thing. And this bias, in all seriousness, is still a bearish market. To me, nothing has changed there. And it's not like something that I would trade specifically right now, because one, we don't have that much data to see like how, like whether I'm gonna put as SL, nah. So I'm gonna keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.